In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox Mobile Voice Chat not working. Let's start this tutorial by checking first if the voice chat is enabled. You can do this by opening the Roblox app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the More button on the lower right corner. Scroll down to Settings and open it. Tap Privacy and Content Maturity. Select Communication in the pop-up window. In here, tap on Voice Chat option. You need to enable microphone for you to use voice chat when you're playing in the game. Now, simply toggle on the button here and it will notify you if it is successful. Also, you need to take note that not all games here in Roblox allow voice chat, so make sure that the experience you're going to play have voice chat feature. Next, if it still doesn't work for you, then try to restart the Roblox app and your mobile device. You have to fresh reset. It may resolve the issue for you, but if the voice chat is still not working, then you can try to uninstall Roblox app and reinstall using Play Store or App Store. That's about it.